Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hakasngi palai kaseng Bharatiya Janata Party kalapin ko burami uba khar karang ko mukertong ka BJP na North Shillong uban ay reng ha ka election MLA haus nam arajar arpulai. Hagate kasngi ladan ringkat lang u state president ka BJP uba Ernest Mauri u MLA ka pentor kra uba AL Hek but kiway de kinong yalam. Uba Ernest Mauri ulaong ba ka BJP kalasan syariya kari hadu prasnam AA but hanyop huay tali ki scheme ladaban pelat na kabenta kipat ba balale da ka sarkar menteri rang badu kari Narendra Modi. Uba AL Hek ulaong ba usnam arajar arpulai lada ka seng BJP kateli bat katrekam Shitom bah ka jilla Meghalaya kan sayo banbat ya kalakam sensyar hapo ka jilla. Ulaong ba ka jingwan jong kibriyo ha kate kasngi sya kate ka jingyalang kapin isyay ba ka Shuki ha ka election MLA arajar arpulai na North Shillong kandi ka Shuki jong ka BJP henry amtang ha North Shillong henry da ka Jingtrei Shitom habaro ki constituency ka BJP kan sayo buon ka Jingjom.
And what do 2,000 rupees what do you do? For some who are not able to buy fish, have a good dinner at home. Those going to Matpan side, tomorrow by Klesnia, make jadab, have a good dinner in the evening. Is this what elections is all about? I'm asking you. I welcome any number of candidates, but let us debate on policy matters. Let us debate on the grounds that we stand for. Let us show what our vision is for the state and let people decide whom we should elect. I don't want you to vote for me because you came for meeting in State Central Auditorium on the 15th of September and when you leave from here you get 2,000 rupees. That is the kind of vote I want. Remember, 2,000 rupees I gave you today. When I win, I will suck every penny that belongs to you. My dear friends, election is not a fanfare. It is not a manner. It is the future, your future, and your loved ones. It is the future of your children. Let not your children curse you later and say that because of that 2,000, 5,000, 500 rupees that you took once upon a time, this now I am suffering.
या आज के दिन से हम लोग का इलेक्शन कंपेन शुरुआत होगा कदे योगा बिकम मतमा इबा एम खारन रिटायर IAS dang somthai dang sen hakalai kuai terik mulai September Henry John hakalai terik Jong mulai September Parti BJP hakasi tinonkan minister Kapolri but real santosh Wadai Ujara Menteri Organisation Jong Kesek ke Jomi Hak Tuski. Hatungau bau ni lain udai nomor bolong special yang apa tuba long kerpang ha long bomba. Dan next jam bagi Jingïatylli kami kalau kemudian ha Jingtrei ke Jomi ban airan ha kene election kabalong ha uni Islam banwan. Actually, for me, ending 3 is a very lucky number for me. So it matched with my number. So Yojana, which announced by our government, the National Democratic Alliance government under the leader of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has been highlighted by the BJP State President. But some of the important Yojana I want to highlight. So all of you should know about what is going on in our country, not only in our state, even in our country. जो स्कीम है, जो हम लोग का सरकार लाया हम लोग के लिए, मैं सामने रखने जाता है वो जानकारी के लिए, क्योंकि आपको जानकारी होना चाहिए क्या चल रहा है, मोदी सरकार क्या कर रहा है गरीब लोग के लिए, देश लोग के लिए, हम लोग को स्टेट के लिए। Till today, there are around 71 schemes launched by the Narendra Modi government, the BJP government in our country, right from 2014 till today. We have run the country in 8 years. In 8 years, 71 schemes has been launched for the people, not only in our state but the whole nation. So, scheme number 1, which I want to highlight, about the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, both Gramin and urban. I think you have heard about this scheme, which we call shortly PMAY. When I travel across the state, people come to me and tell me that we are very lucky to have a Prime Minister like Narendra Modi. He provides us a house to live. पब्लिक कहा था हम लोग को नसीब अच्छा है, जितना स्कीम लाया है हम लोग का देश के लिए, ये जो आसाम में दूसरा जगह में कहा था पुका हाउस, प्राइम मिनिस्टर आवास योजना, 1000 like last report we have around 45 crore houses have been built under this scheme. And we want to bring another scheme that PMAY, that is Gramin.
In the service, as SP, as ID, I was a senior. When he has given his services to the people, he never seen whether he is a tribal or he is non-tribal. For him, everybody are human beings. So that is the beauty of our leader, Bhatakra, and I'm very, very happy that he has joined the Meghalaya and has joined the BJP. And has really strengthened the party organizations in the state of Meghalaya. We have huge potential, particularly in North Shillong. North Shillong constituency had represented 3 consecutive terms when it was under the 18th Budongra constituency. 40% of the North Shillong was fall under 18th Budongra constituency. I used to get from all those areas which is fall under the Budongra constituency, 18th Budongra constituency, when I contested all the areas, I won from the party BJP with 80% of votes getting from all these areas under the 18th Budongra constituency. So the North Shillong I was very familiar. It is known to me because I was a part of the MLA during the time when I was 3 consecutive time I won from BJP from the part of the North Shillong constituency. That is the Jong Road, the Oakland, Beaver Road, Naumali, Forest Valley, and Beaver Road and other places which is all under my constituency way back. So today also we are working very, very aggressively to ensure this potential state should reduce the BJP from the North Shillong. So now we have a very prominent leader, and I wish and I hope also this time the Shillong will be bloomed by locusts. Shillong, all the Shillong seats, if out of the 7 seats, I am ensuring you, we have 6 seats have very, very huge potential for BJP. But to make it, to translate it into votes, it is a duty and responsibility and a collective responsibility to each one of us, not only the state president, not only the vice president, the general secretary, or the leader of the Shillong city. We have to put our heads and hands together to ensure collectively we have strengthened the party organization to get almost all the seats of Shillong, since we have a very huge potential of all the Shillong seats for BJP. They are communal party. I'm telling you, I've been elected from BJP for the 4th consecutive terms. I won from BJP. Today I'm an executive member, national executive member of BJP. And so all the people are there working to BJP from all walk of life. From all walk of life. You see, we have so many, you see today the newspaper in Goa, out of 11 Congress MLA, he has joined BJP today. So that's what I have seen here. The acceptability is already there in in BJP. And I'm telling you, in the next 10 years, the BJP is going to rule in our country and in our country, India. That's why we need the double-engine government. Today we have seen the Assam, we have seen Arunachal Pradesh, we have seen Manipur, the double-engine government, how the progress and the development will take place in those states where we have the BJP government at the center and the BJP state government at the state. If we have the double-engine government, I'm telling you, we can see a lot of progress, a lot of development, a lot of the benefits will come for the state and also to benefit to our people. So that's why I was appeal to all our party workers. In BJP, we don't have a single leaders. We are all the leaders. When you are already putting this scarf on your neck, you are the BJP leaders. We are all the BJP leaders. Not only the state president is a BJP leader, not only the judging Ganda, the honorable national president of BJP is a leader. We are all the leaders. Whether we are youth, we are men or women, we have to work collectively to ensure that BJP is going to win the seat from the different, wherever we are contesting in the next election in 2023. I just want to remind once again, our president has said in 2023 will be a BJP-led government in Meghalaya. We are ensuring you, if we are all working in tandem, we are all putting our heads together and we are working collectively, we can assure you, we will be a BJP-led government in 2023 in the state of Meghalaya. He has boosted the party and also has strengthened the party organization. We have seen so many people are gathering here today to ensure that the next election, the North Shillong will be a BJP city. With all the efforts of all of us, if we are working together, and I assure you today, the North Shillong will see only the BJP, or you will see only the numbers in the entire constituency. So this is, we leave it to your wisdom, we leave it to your efforts, how we will be working together, how we are going to strengthen the party organization, not only in the North Shillong. You have a lot of friends and relatives also in the neighboring constituency, in another part of the constituency also. That is our responsibility and duty to ensure that the BJP is doing to get more seats in the coming elections in the 2023. Friends, as I told before also, I had worked with Bhaktakaram very, very closely for many, many years. When he was in service, outside the service, and before the service also. I just want to recreate what I had said before. He is a good human being and he is a non-criminal man. He always treated all the community as he always treated all the community as equal to all and everyone as a human being. He don't make any differences between a tribal or non-tribal, between one community to another community. In front of him, he always treated everybody equally as all are human beings.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.